Hi everyone. Today was really cold across the island with temperatures not much above freezing in some places. In fact, over the hills it stayed below freezing, so it really was feeling quite cold. There were also a few snow flurries that came through, and this will continue for the next 24 to 48 hours really. So what we've got is this high pressure out here to the northeast, low pressure down to the southwest, and we've still got this cold east or northeasterly flow, and that's going to continue for another couple of days yet. And you can see it here with the winds coming in off the east and these cold temperatures, blue, which is showing it's below freezing for most of the time. And this will continue right through until Thursday, when this low pressure area starts to come up from the south and start to introduce some milder air. Now, as it introduces this milder air, we're likely to see a little bit of snow developing. There'll be a warm front at this point, somewhere really moving across France. Now, it's the speed of this warm front which decides on what will happen, whether we'll get snow, rain, when it will get milder. And it does look like some light snow throughout Thursday, potentially getting a little bit heavier towards the evening, and then turning to sleet and rain overnight into Friday. But you know, things can still change, and it's not 100% certain that it's going to be exactly like that. So it's always worth checking back for more updates. So anyway, this is the rainfall map for tonight, and you can see these showers out here to the east, and you can also see another channel streamer developing. Now as we move through the night, you can see the time and date here, as we move through the night, that channel streamer, as well as a few flurries from the northeast, start to reach us. Now this channel streamer may clip southern parts of the island, and if it does, it could give a bit of a covering, but we're not expecting too much from this. Now as we head through the rest of the night and into tomorrow morning, we start to see this band of snow down here to which is the channel streamer, start to move towards us. Now it looks very likely that it will clip us by late morning, early afternoon, so it does look very likely we'll see some snow flurries, some potentially heavy ones as well. In fact, there could be a bit of a covering from this band, and it is very likely that we'll see more snow showers and flurries tomorrow than we did today. So as we head through tomorrow afternoon, there's still a few flurries moving through, but then as we move into Wednesday, especially Wednesday morning, it happens once again. The winds turn back into the southeast, and these showers and heavy snow showers start moving in off the English Channel. So especially on Wednesday morning, we could see possibly 3 to 5 centimeters, maybe even a little more in some places, with the south coast having the highest risk. But you know, pretty much anywhere on the island could see a reasonable covering. So anyway, let's get to the winds for tonight, just to show what's going to be going on. So we've got these winds coming through that aren't too bad over land, but they're still pretty breezy on the coast. And you can see as we move through, the winds drop off quite light later on in the night. This is 6 and 7 AM, so the winds become quite light, and this is something we're concerned about. The temperatures are going to fall very low, especially for conditions that are still reasonably breezy. So there's going to be, you know, lakes, ponds, various areas of water are going to be freezing solid, especially with this breeze. You know, it takes the surface heat away from water areas, so it will freeze a lot quicker. So there's going to be some low temperatures across the island, so -4, maybe -5 degrees Celsius in some places. So yeah, it's really going to be a very cold night. And then as we head through into tomorrow, the temperatures really don't rise very high at all. This is at 1 PM. So, you know, -1, -2 generally across the island. A few places potentially up to maybe rising as high as 0 Celsius. But yeah, it's really looking really cold. And these winds will still be coming in from the east or northeast. And yeah, and we will be seeing these snow flurries. So anyway, I hope that all made sense, and we'll give you more updates later tonight and into tomorrow. Goodbye for now.